Hi class. So today I want you to have a clear understanding of subtracting using place value. So we're going to start out with 55, subtract 33. So here is a visual. So 55 means that there's 5 tens and 5 ones. So here are our 5 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55. And we're subtracting 33. So this is going to be 3 tens and 3 ones. So if we subtract first 3 ones and then subtract 3 tens, we're left with 1, 2 tens, and 2 ones. Okay, so now let's try it if we are going to have to borrow. So this one we have 44, 4 tens, 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and we're going to subtract 17. Well, here we have 4 ones, and we need to take 7 away from them. How's that going to work? Well, what we could do is we can take a group of 10 and break it apart so that it turns into ones. So then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one's no longer there because now we have 10 ones. So we actually have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ones. And now we only have 3 tens. So now we can take 17 away. So we're going to take away 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to take away 1 group of 10. So we're left with 2 groups of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So what it's saying is that we can take a group of 10, so then it turns into only 3, and then we're going to add 10 to this 1. So sometimes you'll just put a 1 in front of it because that turns it into 14, which look, that's what it was. 7 subtract 14 is 7, 1 subtract 3 is 2, and that is what we got as our answer. So I hope that gives you a good visual of how we borrow. So now going back to our place value, remembering how we line up our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. So we have 8, 56, subtract 7, 73. So this one we can take 3 away from 6. That's going to equal 3. But then the 5 groups of 10, we can't take away 7 groups of 10 when we only have 5. So therefore we're going to go over to this next one and borrow 1 from it. So that's 7. This is now going to give us 10 more, so that's going to equal 15. So if we're taking 7 away from 15, that's going to equal 8. And 7 subtract 7 is 0. So our answer is 83. Once again, lining up your numbers. So this time I am going to just do it straight across. It's most helpful if the numbers are on top of each other. So I'm going to just use these same numbers that I already have written here, but write the 8,973 right below it. 3 subtract 3 is 0. 7 subtract 2, can't do it. Gotta borrow one from over here. Turns it into a 12. 7 subtract 12 is 5. Can't take 9 away from 8. So we borrow one over here, turns that into 18. Leaves us with 9. Can't subtract 8 from 1. Borrow that. 11 is going to be a 3. Our answer is 3,950. Go ahead and do the next two on your own and check back with me to see if you got them correct. Okay, so if you got 28,114 for number 3, you're correct. And number 4, 519,709. Be sure to show your work when you are doing your homework this week.